Hi, I'm Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to build a retaining wall. So we had an old retaining wall here that we have removed. It was getting old and needed to be replaced. It's a very easy project to do. All you need is some basic DIY skill and some elbow grease. The first thing you need to do is plan out your retaining wall. My wall gonna be 2 sleeper high. The next step we do is measure our area so we know how much timber we need. And we have left a bit of gap at the back for drainage. Choose a timber which is minimum H4 rating. H4 rating is made to go in ground. And for this project, I'm going with the treater point sleeper. They're designed to go outside and they're weather resistant. Joiner posts are good to keep the sleepers in place. And now what I'll do is I'll mark where our joiner's post will go. So the next step is we're setting up a string line that keeps your post in line and your retaining wall straight. Now what I'm doing is digging holes for my joiner post. My string line is set with the back of the retaining wall, and I'm digging a bit further away because I'm putting my post in front of the wall. The next thing I have to do is measure from the bottom of the hole to the string line for the post, and then I'll cut the timber to size. Now we measure and mark our timber using pencil and square, and then we'll cut it to size. So we have placed a post in spot, and I've attached it to existing sleeper. Now we'll place our sleepers behind it and attach it to it one by one and work our way down. It's time to cut top of my post. I'm going to use pencil and square and then I'll cut them. So we set up a couple of braces so our retaining wall doesn't move. And now we're going to mix up the concrete, pour it into holes, cover it up and let it set. So we need good drainage in this garden, and that's why we left some gap behind the sleepers. What we'll do is we'll put some Scoria on the bottom, and then we'll put this drainage pipe on top. We run the end of the pipe into a stormwater or into the garden bed. And also put some Scoria on top of the drainage pipe and cover it with the soil. Retaining wall can transform your garden and can add a bit of character to your backyard.